Hello everyone, this is Yamin, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can easily create a website using Google Sites. So in order to come to the Google site, you need to search sites.google.com and then you will see something like this. So over here you can see blank option and some template. So if you choose the blank option, then you need to build everything from the very beginning. But if you choose a template, then your work will become a lot easier. So we are going to choose a template from here. So here you can see family update. So we'll choose this template. So in order to choose the template, all you have to do is that you just need to click on the template. And if you click on it, it will take you to this page. As you can see, this is the template that we choose. So over here on the right side, you can see insert pages and themes. So first of all, we'll talk about the themes part. So if we just go to the themes option, so here parent block is the theme that we selected. So if you want to change the theme, you can do that as well. So here you can see that we have a lot of themes over here. Let's choose this theme, diplomat. If we click on the diplomat, here you can see that design changed a little bit. So if you choose a different theme, then the text design will change a little bit depending on the themes. And if you do not like the color, you can change the color as well. For example, here you can see the color. If you just click the color, you can see the color changed. If you want the custom color that you want, then just click over here and then you'll be able to choose a custom color depending on your needs. So let's just choose this one. And after that, okay, let's choose this one, impression. Okay, that looks better. So this is where you can just choose your themes. So right now let's just move to the page part. So here you can see page. So we'll click on the page and here you can see some option over here. So this option is basically this one. As you can see, home, family photos, everything is over here. So if you want to add one more menu option, then all you have to do is that you need to click on this plus icon. If you click the plus icon, here you will see new page, then new link, new menu section, whatever. So we'll just click over here, new page. So if you click it, then you need to give a name. Let's say it will be contact. Then you just need to click done. And here you can see we have a contact here. So here you can see the contact. So you can even move the contact at the end if you want. Let me just drag it from here to here, and here you can see contact is at the end. You can even make a menu into a sub menu. All you have to do is that you need to just drag it and release it on a menu, and here you can see it become a sub menu. And here you can see if I take my cursor on the family photos, here you can see the contact option. So let's just keep it as a menu. So right now let's go back to our home page. So all you have to do is that click on the home menu option and it will take you the home page. So right now in order to make some changes, then you need to go to the insert part. So we'll click on the insert and here you will see a lot of options like text box, images, and here you can see some default design. So first of all, let's say that you want this design, this layout over here. Then all you have to do is that click on it and drag it on the left side. Let's say here you can see the blue bar or blue color. So if you just release it, it will show that layout over there. So here you can choose the image. You can either upload it from your Google Drive or your PC or laptop. So let's just click upload over here. Then let's just choose the image, click open, and there you go, the image. You can even write some text over here. Let's say man in C. Then you can also change the design for the text. Like let's make it smaller. Let's make it 14. You can see you can use it as a heading or title. You can see that. So you can also make it italic. So depending on your need, you can change the design. Let's upload one more image. Let's choose this one. Click open. Let's say over here just building, just to make it look better. And if you want to delete a certain part, all you have to do is that click on that, and then on the right side you will see a delete option. So we just click over here delete and it will be deleted. Let's do the same for this one as well. So this is how you can do it. So right now let's say you want to change this image. So for it, here just take your cursor on the image and you will see the image option on the left down corner. So just click on the image and here you can see upload, select all text. So we'll just click here upload and we can just choose the image from here. Let's choose this image, then click open, and there you go, we have an image over here right now. You can change the text as you want. You can even remove some text if you want as well. Let's just remove the text from here. So right now, let's say you want to upload an image at a certain part of your website. Then here you will see the image option. Just click image, then click upload, and you can just upload the image here. Let's just choose this image, click open, and there you can see the image will be added and the int. So here you can see the image. So in order to make the image bigger, you can just drag it like this, or drag it like this on the right side. You can just drag it like this. You can even zoom the image or crop the image. So here you can see a crop option. So if you just click on the crop, and here you can see you can even zoom the image depending on your need. And then click right over here, and there you can see. So if you want to add a text, just click text box over here, and you can just add some random text. Let's just paste some random text over here, and let's just change the size for the text. And there you can see. So if you want to change the text background color, you can do that as well. So on the left side, you will see some option over here. This is the copy option, delete option, and this is the color section. If you just click over here, the color section, you will see some style. So we'll choose the you can choose the image. Let's just choose the style 3, and there you go. And let's just choose style 2, then style on. So right now let's choose the image. So let's just click on the image and click select, and by default it will give you some images. So you can choose the image from here. Let's choose this one, then click over here, select, and there you can see it changes. So let's change the text color. Let's change the text color to white, and there you go. And if you want to change the position, you can do that as well. All you have to do is just drag them like this. Okay, so we'll just keep it over here. So right now, can other people see this website? The answer is no, because we haven't published our website. But before that, let me just show you a few things. And over here on the top side, you can see undo and redo section. So if you want to like undo something or redo something, you can use those buttons. And here you can see preview option. If you click on the preview, what it will do is that it will give us the desktop view, tab view, and the mobile view. So here you can see this is right now in the desktop view. So if you want to see how it looks in the tab, just click on the tab icon, and this is how our website will look in the tab. So if you choose the mobile option, it will show us how our website will look on mobile. So the design is really responsive. And if you want to exit it, then click on this close icon. If you just click close, and it will take you to the edit page. So right now, if you want some other people to edit the website, then here you can see the share icon, share with others. So if you just click over here, then it will ask us to give an email so that some other people can access to this website and modify the website. So for now, we'll just leave it. And right now here, using this, we'll be able to share our website. So right now we still haven't published our website, so we won't be able to share the link. But before that, we'll go to the publish later. But before that, let me just choose a few more things. So here you will see the settings. So we'll click setting, and then you will see navigation. You can see top. So here you can see the navigation is at the top. If you want the navigation to be on the side, just click side. And here you can see the navigation option is on the side. But we'll keep our navigation on the top. So let's set top. You can even make the navigation transparent, white, black. We'll just keep it the way it is, or you can just choose white. You can see that the menu option is white right now. And here you can see brand images. So if you click brand images, then you'll be able to choose the logo and tab icon. Let's just choose a logo. Let's click over here, and then we'll choose this one and click open, and there you go. We can see the logo here, and here you can see favicon. Now what is favicon? Favicon is that a image that we see over here. Here you can see a image. So if you choose the image for this favicon, we'll see the icon here at the top of our website. So let's just upload the same image. So let's choose the same image, then click open, and then we are set. So right now you can see here tools custom domains. Now here you can set a domain for your website, but we'll come to this part later. Let's just close this for now. And right now here you can see the publish option. So we'll just click right now publish. So if you click on the publish, then it will ask you to give a name for your website. Let's say our website name will be my first cool website, and it will check if the name is available, and here you can see the name is available, and downside you can see address. So this will be the address for our website. So right now here you can again see the domain address, but we'll come to this part later. So right now we'll just click here publish option. If you click publish, here you can see it publishing, and our website is right now saved. So right now here we'll click on this option, copy publish site link. So we'll just click it, and here you can see published site link is this one. So we can just copy it from here as well. So right now if we just paste the link over a new tab and press enter, we'll be able to see our website. Let me just choose a different browser to show you. Let's choose Microsoft Edge, and let's paste the link here, press enter, and there you go. We're able to see our website. So basically you'll be able to share this link with your friends, family, or anyone. So let me just close this, and right now let's close this again. So right now let's move to the domain part. So normally you need to share your website link like this. So you will get a link like this, sites.google.com/view/my-first-website/home. So if you want to use your own domain name, then all you have to do is that click over here, publish, then publish setting. After that, here you will see make it easier for your people to visit your site. So you can add a custom domain. So in order to add the custom domain, you need to click here manage, and then you need to click start setup. If you click start setup, here you need to give your domain name. So the email you used to buy the domain name to be same as your website that you used to log in or sign in over here. Okay. So after you add your domain, you can just upload this website to your domain. And if you want to buy domain, you can use GoDaddy or Namecheap. I'll give the link in the description so that you can buy your domain if you want. So this is all. I hope I explain all the important things about how to make a website easily in the sites.google.com. If you have any question, you can always let me know in the comment section, and you can check out other things by yourself, I hope. And if you want to check out more tutorial like this, then you can see a video on the screen. You can check that video as well. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. I really appreciate that, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.